Hello, my name is Jody Samuels. Welcome to Week 15 of the FX Trader's Edge Trade of the Week series on the Forex market, featuring the Euro Pound as follow-up to 2 weeks ago. First, I'd like to bring your attention to the special promotion going on right now to join my FX Trader's Edge online trading advisory for free for the month of May. If you enjoy this Trade of the Week series and want to learn the skills to make trades like this one, and want to see Elliott Wave counts on 16 different currency pairs on a daily basis, consider joining my online trading advisory with Trading Post. Purchase this monthly subscription service from their online store and enter the code to receive your 30 days risk-free. So please go to tradingpostfinancial.com and click on the link that says online store and enter in your code. Also, please make sure to contact me if you have comments or questions about the trade of the week. I will be more than pleased to answer you, and my email address is jody@fxtradersedge.com. And now, on to the Euro Pound. 2 weeks ago, this is the chart we showed. We were looking for some fundamentals to boost the ailing pound because, as you know, when this cross goes up, the euro strengthens against the pound. So the euro goes up, the euro goes down relative to one another. The news didn't come. Hence, the euro pound cross continued to rally into this week, actually. However, this week, the pound finally began its ascent against the US dollar and all other currencies as the market awaited a Bank of England plan that would allow them to take over mortgages from lenders to increase liquidity in the UK real estate market and extend new loans to potential homeowners. So this is the weekly chart shown in the last trade of the week. We said at that time that a correction of the last swing move up would take us down to between 72.50 and 76.50. Since we traded higher up to the 81 level, we need to readjust these levels. But at the time, I said, on this weekly chart, we have clearly moved up impulsively, and it is tough to say whether a top is near. All we can say is once a top is reached, we will correct this move up, which could take us down to between 72.50 and 76.50. However, before this can occur, the fundamentals need to shift in favor of the pound and away from the euro. Let's look at the daily chart now to get a sense of the current Fibbo retracement levels that we have based on the subsequent move up to the 81 level. The minimum Fibbo levels that we would look for are the 23.6% and the 38.2%, which would take us down to between 75 and 77.32. We would actually look for lower levels as well, up to the 50% or perhaps even the 61.8% target, but let's just be a little bit conservative here. Also notice on this chart the divergence in the awesome oscillator, which provides some comfort that we have finally started our descent. On the next slide, this is our projection calculator. To calculate our price projections, we use this calculator developed for the online trading room subscribers, and we enter in the start of the move, the end of the move, and the waves in between. We actually enter in 5 numbers, and we get this handy spreadsheet of all the possible projections for the euro pound. We see that wave 5 ended just slightly above the 61.8% target of waves 1 to 3. And every time we surpass another projection target, we know that the next one is the target to shoot for. You notice at the bottom of the spreadsheet the ABC details. These are the corrective levels that we would look for. And we already mentioned the 23.6%, 77.32, the 38% of 75.03, and the 50% is actually 73.7319. But how do we know that the correction has really begun? Let's look at this 4-hour chart to see that we have actually traveled down in 5 waves to begin the corrective process. We are now looking for a 3-wave retracement up for the B leg before a similar drop begins, which will take us down to our projected fibbo levels seen to the right in this calculator. So this week, we will wait for our corrective move back up in a B leg and look to sell this pair again for an equivalent minimum drop of 200 pips in the euro pound. And that's a big move. If you enjoy this Trade of the Week series and want to learn the skills to make trades like this one and would like to see the Elliott Wave counts on 16 different currency pairs on a daily basis, consider joining my online trading advisory with Trading Post. Purchase this monthly subscription service from their online store and enter the coupon code to receive your first 30 days risk-free and free of charge. This is the end of the Trade of the Week comment. Happy trading!